Sarkodie are revealing big secret about Shatawale or no any Shatawale or more friendship or more war in the music industry.
Was the biggest Bandana fan.
Now, and any day I so subscribe to this platform on YouTube, no follow on by BB around the Bishia Kama Studio Subia, no follow for more updates and more insightful information like this. Now, the news is very simple. 27th September 2025 Sarkodie at the RapperHolic Kumasi edition at the Kumasi for the Ashanti region for and people around Ashanti region was say with the RapperHolic homecoming because we're hosting different places across. So now it is time you bring it home so that people can enjoy it at the Baba Yara Sports Stadium. And then in the video na Sarkodie no oni the fans they be having conversation online and Ochemu say Shatawale. I mean, he has been Shatawale biggest fan since Bandana days till now. Or that's why Shatawale in the fan. And music in the Obia ways of us who is here they catching attention. But on the or SM fan and as I call it studio. Now let's play this video. When we come back, we talk more about it.
Was the biggest Bandana fan. I used to come to Tema. My Baba, may he so rest in peace. He died, old Baba. I used to come to the barber shop and come and talk about Shatta. By that time was Bandana, talking about Bandana, some guy. Because the guy is a dancehall head, but he said there's no good dancehall artist in Ghana. And at that time, Bandana wasn't big, and I was trying to like force Bandana on the guy. So years later, then Shatta came out, and then the guy was trying to tell me, right now where we get down. So I said, that's the same guy I was telling you about, you know. So with me and him, talent-wise, I've been a fan from way back because I like freestyle. I used to freestyle a lot. Bandana was the type that when you say, okay, go, use fun to rhyme, he will start going. So that's, as a rapper, that's what I liked from day one. Personally, we could have our own ways of how we want to do our things, so we can put that aside. They will say I agree with her, that's okay. That's why if you have a following, people that are like-minded like you, they will follow you. That doesn't mean you are right or you're wrong. It's just that people's preferences, how they attach things, how they see things, their lenses are different. So if you meet people that you align with, and you become a fan or you like this person, but that doesn't mean someone is good and someone is bad. You just don't. I don't agree with how you do your. We might want the same thing, but the way you want to achieve it is different. But it's a good time where if it's Ghana winning, we all have to support. Yes,
myself,
we all have to support.
I mean, it's a good
But there's a lot in the pipeline coming from both sides. So
I know.
Yeah, but don't worry.
It's fine.
Don't worry. But one thing that's for sure is that Shaxi is supporting RapperHolic in Kumasi.
You mentioned it. So
Yes, Shaxi is supporting, actually part of the main sponsors for it. So big shouts to Shaxi.
Shatawale.
Obedi be pound be the end in can I the best and most decorated rapper and most awarded rapper in the continent Africa. Now Sarkodie and Shatawale, but say the bond is there. Say nye back and forth one SM boss have a year and they have this relationship. I won't say bro to bro in the music industry, you know, they have been in a good terms about Bushia, and then because of one or two reasons they were not close to each other like how they used to have or something like that. So Sarkodie just revealed his RapperHolic, you know, Shaxi and Sashi is sponsoring the RapperHolic Kumasi edition, no. Shatawale insa won't be Saturday a good relationship between Obedi and then the SM boss and kind of video more so more a T4 here Kama Studios. If it is your first time, don't forget to subscribe to this platform. Make sure to follow us on all the social media handles at Kama Studio. I go by the name Sticky the Superstar, your favorite and the youngest content creator, and I'm finally out.